Well, hello. I have a question to ask, and it's kind of an important question to me, and it could be one that you've been thinking about your own self. I want you to tell me where to stick it. Not only where to stick it, but how to stick it. That's right, I need your help. So chime in if you know how and where. Just kidding, but I'm serious. This video I'm asking for help from the community. Hopefully someone will be able to tell me how to, or the proper way to. Today I'm working on a Heath kit. I was just thinking of Heath kit. This is an HP. Close enough. They got an H in there. 3580 alpha audio spectrum analyzer. And what I need help with is that right there. I know that's an IC, and I'm pretty confident this is where it belongs. But you see, what happened was this was rattling about in the case, and I found it laying over here taking a siesta. And so I need a little bit of help. I know it's got that tab. I know the tab means something. This is a linear IC. Anyway, it's Motorola 1820-047, and I believe that's a date code underneath, 1975, which would date this to probably about right. The holes are not marked accordingly, right there. They do have that little tab right here. I don't think that that's a mark, but I could be completely wrong, and that's what I need help with, is where exactly, how exactly to put that device in. I don't want to just stick it in the hole, turn it on, and have that blow up and short out. Those things are kind of expensive, and it's kind of rare because it's really old. I know this is what it's supposed to look like. We got the tab right there that I was showing you a moment ago, and all of its legs, and here's what a schematic view of it looks like, or a data sheet view. This is not the view for this particular one that I'm interested in. However, finding data on mine is non-existent. This is the closest thing I was able to find. I'm unfamiliar with this as I don't work on them very much. And pay attention, we have where the tab is at pin 8. And if I look this item up on the schematic for a parts reference, we are right here. And as you see, they called it an IC linear miscellaneous. It's on board A2. Well, actually it's not A2, but it's actually on board A1. and it's part number U7. And as we pull that part up on the board, actually I guess it's not U7 now that I'm looking at this, it's actually U2. I must have been looking at the wrong part. Anyway, U2, you can see we're connected to test point number 4, which comes to pin number 8. And if we look at the board layout, you can see here the device is at U2, or it's part number U2, and right here we have test point number 4. And if we look back here on the board, here we have test point number 4, and if we follow it, this trace right here goes up underneath this capacitor, underneath, can't make that out, oh, the resistor. As you can see, it comes right here, or there, one of those, I think right here, which should be more likely pin number 8. So I need to know if this mark, this dot, means or represents anything, or if that just so happens to be a fluke on the board, or could it be a via that I just can't make out very well, and what are the rules to plug this in, because you can see it's definitely not foolproof, and we've already established a long time ago I am a fool. So any help that you could render would be greatly appreciated. I don't want to plug this in and turn this on and blow it or anything else up. Leave your comments below, and I will respond accordingly if I can. Alright, thanks a lot. Catch you in the next one. Bye.